Investing can build wealth, or destroy it. The difference? Making the right moves. Even the smartest investors in the world, folks with decades of experience, have lost millions, sometimes billions, because of avoidable mistakes. In this video, we break down the biggest investment mistakes that have cost people fortunes, and how you can avoid them. Jumping into investments without a strategy is like driving without a destination. Too many people throw money into stocks, crypto, or real estate just because they heard it's a good idea. The wealthy don't guess, they plan. They know exactly what they want their money to do and how much risk they're comfortable with. If you don't have an investment plan, you're setting yourself up for failure. It's like trying to build a house without a blueprint. Sure, you might get a few walls up, but eventually the whole thing's gonna collapse. So many investors believe they can time the market perfectly, buying low and selling high. But here's the reality. Even the experts with all their fancy algorithms and decades of experience get it wrong. Instead of trying to time the market, the smartest investors focus on time in the market. They understand that the longer your money's invested, the more time it has to grow. There's a study that shows if you had invested in the S&P 500 for the last 20 years, but missed just the 10 best days, you'd have cut your returns in half. Consistency beats speculation every single time. Stay invested for the long haul. Chapter 3. Don't let your emotions ruin your portfolio. Fear and greed are the two biggest wealth killers in the investment world. When markets crash, panic selling is the absolute worst thing you can do. And on the flip side, when prices are skyrocketing, people get caught up in the hype, throwing money at anything that moves. Smart investors control their emotions. They stick to their plan, ignore the noise, and don't make rash decisions based on fear or greed. Remember 2021, everyone was rushing into meme stocks and crypto at their peak, only to see it all come crashing down. Chapter 4. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. So many people still make this mistake, putting all their money in one stock, one industry, one type of asset, thinking it's a guaranteed winner. But if that one thing goes south, they lose everything. Remember the dot-com bubble bursting back in 2000? People who went all in on tech stocks got absolutely crushed. But those who diversified, who spread their investments across different sectors, different asset classes, they not only survived, they thrived. Diversification is like a safety net for your portfolio. Chapter 5. Think long-term, build real wealth. Real wealth isn't built overnight. So many investors, especially new ones, are impatient. They're looking for those quick gains, those get-rich-quick schemes, but here's the truth. Real success comes from long-term growth. It takes time. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, or even crypto, everything goes in cycles. There will be dips, crashes, and booms. The best investors, they're patient. They have a plan, they stick to it, and they let their money grow over time. Outrow, invest smarter, not harder. Listen, investing isn't about luck, it's about strategy. It's about making smart decisions and avoiding the mistakes that have cost people millions. Create a solid investment plan, be patient and stay disciplined. Diversify your portfolio like your financial future depends on it, because it does. Now I want to hear from you. What's the worst investment mistake you've ever seen? Maybe you've made some of these mistakes yourself. Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart money moves where I break down complex financial topics and give you the tools you need to build real wealth.